My wife and I have been out here for about 30 years, and in 30 years I have seen just about every piece of equipment trying to maintain this property, but what I saw today absolutely astounded me.
My name is Chad Paulus. I own Paulus Property Management out of Stewartstown, Pennsylvania. When I go to someone's house, I want to be able to pull up and be able to take care of their whole property. When we first got here this morning, he had a little bit of a swamp, and he says, "You're not going to be able to do that." I said, "We'll get it." The Ventrac pushed right through it. No problems at all. You go on someone's property, they don't want their property all torn up. With the Ventrac, you can come in here, you can ride across the lawn. With the dual tires on it, I can get into a lot of wet areas where compact tractors can't get, a lot of tight areas. At one point, we were pushing water here. That water was up to almost my feet, and the tractor just kept going and going and going. It didn't stop. When you use a Ventrac, it's kind of hard to go to something else because it's so versatile. You can do multiple things with one piece of equipment. You can take a bunch of attachments to a job, and say you want to hook one up, you can hook it up within about a minute. When I bought it and I realized the work that was out there, it's affordable for anyone. I'm stuck on it. I'll be using it for many years to come.